Hi, welcome to the AllCasesHere. In this video we are going to talk about the top 5 best iPhone 14 Pro screen protectors 2022 you can buy on Amazon. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more videos. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on quality, features and pricing. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Except that Apple has discontinued one of the best iPhones. We now have better screens to operate and view, thanks to the high-quality Retina display and ceramic shield protection. Therefore, it will be illegal to use poor-quality screen protectors on your iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Pro. A premium glass protector should be used in conjunction with the premium display. But how can you pick the finest iPhone 14 Pro screen protector out of the seemingly endless lists of available choices? Stop worrying now. I've put together a list of the best screen shields for the iPhone 14 Pro. I have prepared this video guide for the best iPhone 14 Pro screen protector, so let's get started. 5. LK Smooth Touch. Achieving the ideal balance between screen protection and camera quality. LK Screen Protector is a screen protector on this list that also functions as a camera protector. It has a clean vision for the camera and a 9H hardness. There are 2 of each, a screen protector and a lens protector, included. Given that it includes 2 camera shields and 2 lens protectors for the price of one while keeping quality, this becomes one of the best values on our list. 4. JE Tech Full Coverage. One of the greatest full screen protectors available that fully encloses your screen is made by JE Tech. It features a precise speaker cutout and covers your front camera and Face ID sensor to guarantee the speaker is as clear as possible. The front camera's photographs and videos are preserved in close to their original quality thanks to the screen protector's high light transmission. Additionally, JE Tech uses your bare screen with our screen covers to guarantee excellent viewing and responsive touching experiences. To ensure that you won't even experience any issues using the case, JE Tech guarantees an exact fit for your iPhone 14 Pro. Additionally, it has an oleophobic covering for smudge-free scrolling. 3. iLune Glass Screen Protector. You just can't go wrong with iLune screen protectors. People adore them, and they have been around for a very long time. The ones we are highlighting right now are case-friendly and come in a set of 3. This is a really simple choice that caters to the needs of the typical consumer. This screen guard is made of genuine tempered glass. The reason we refer to it as a tempered glass screen protector is precisely because of the plastic's flexibility. A safety glass that is more durable than regular glass is tempered glass. 2. Spigen Tempered Glass. For a very long time, Spigen has dominated the accessory market. It has always been our first option. Due to its distinctive design that safeguards the sensors, this particular piece of tempered glass stands out. It is worth acquiring right away due to its amazing clarity, oleophobic coating, and 9H hardness. Additionally, an installation kit is included, making the process of installation and application simple. Additionally, it comes in 2-in-1 packs, which makes it more inexpensive. Spigen produces some of the best accessories available only based on feel. The Glass TR series has been around for a while and has proven to be durable, providing best-in-class protection with virtually no sacrifice to the display it is applied to. 1. ESR Armorite. One of the toughest screen protectors in this category, this scratch-resistant one is designed for the iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Pro. This top screen protector can withstand an impact of up to 110 pounds on its own, making it a powerful challenger, literally. To keep your screen pristine, the ESR screen protector features a smooth and clean fingerprint-resistant layer in addition to strong scratch protection. To ensure a dust-free, spotless installation on your spotless new gadget, this glass protector includes a cleaning kit, alignment frame, and adhesive that repels dust. So guys, this was the video about the best iPhone 14 Pro screen protectors. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.